When you're a plumber, you can see some pretty dodgy stuff. This one has got dodgy plumbing and electrical all over it. Now, I asked the client, I said, look, is this like a handyman or is this you? You can be honest with me. He said, look, Will, it was a plumber. I said, like, for both things? Because, you know, these wires are supposed to be in conduit. These guys teed off a power box to feed a hot water heater and some other stuff. Anyways, we did the job, repaired the burst pipe. On to the next.